What's going on, guys? Boyg here, and today in this video we're going to be making delicious cheese steak and chipotle ranch sandwich. It's from Home Chef. It's going to be one of their oven ready recipes, and it should be really easy to make just by following these simple instructions. If you don't know, Home Chef is a food delivery service that essentially delivers everything you need right to you at home. Here's all the ingredients and the meat, and it's really easy to make. Guys, if you haven't tried Home Chef yet and you'd like to give it a shot, down in the description there'll probably be a promotion code, referral code, or whatnot. If you'd like to give it a shot, definitely type that in. It helps support the channel and should give you a great deal as well. As always, guys, if you do like the video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that sub button, turn on notifications. That way you get notified when we do more videos just like this one. We will be trying other services as well outside of Home Chef in later videos, so definitely if you're interested to see reviews of Home Chef or other recipes from other services, definitely hit that sub button, guys. And now, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so let's go over the ingredients we need to make the cheesy steak and chipotle ranch sandwich. These are the items that come with the Home Chef delivery. First item is garlic salt, 12 ounces of cooked diced red potatoes. Now, a lot of the prep is already done because this is an oven ready meal. So a lot of the prep is done, which is, if you're trying to make a meal quickly, this is a really great service to get the oven ready ones. Fajita Seasoning, 1.5 ounces of chipotle ranch, half an ounce of crispy fried onions, 3 ounces of diced habanero. Comes with 2 brioche buns, 1 ounce of shredded cheddar, and 10 ounces of strip steak. In addition to all the ingredients, it even comes with an oven ready pan. What's not included in the Home Chef box is pepper and oil. And that's everything you're gonna need to make this recipe. Since there's no preparation, because everything's oven ready, we're gonna get right into making the recipe. First, you need to make sure you put your oven to 425, and then place your oven ready pan and start putting the oven roasted potatoes right in there. You're gonna put it off to one side and then mix in the Fajita Seasoning. Add some olive oil. And some pepper. And mix. On the other side of the pan, we're going to add the habanero peppers. Then bake in the oven for about 15 minutes. While the veggies and potatoes bake for about 15 minutes, we're gonna prep the meat. We're gonna separate it and pat it dry. Now that it's all separated, we're going to pat it dry. The potatoes in the oven's been cooking for about 15 minutes. We're going to take it out and put the meat in. So let's take this out. Add the meat to the peppers. and season with the garlic salt. And mix the peppers together as well. Once well mixed and seasoned, place back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Now it's been about 15 minutes in cooking. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna top it with cheese. And we're gonna place it back in for another 5 minutes with the brioche buns in there as well, directly on the rack with the cut side face up. Once you take it out of the oven, you let it rest for about 3 minutes, and then it's ready to plate. I already let this rest, so we're gonna start plating it up right now. So this is a portion for 2 people, so we're gonna split it right down the middle. Then we're gonna put a little bit of the Chipotle Ranch on top. And then you garnish with some fried onions. Place the bun on the side like that. Let's get some potatoes off on the side over here. We're gonna take half the potatoes. Potatoes are still steaming hot. And there we go, guys. That is the Cheesy Steak and Chipotle Ranch sandwich. It looks absolutely delicious. And there you guys go. That's how you make the Cheesy Steak and Chipotle Ranch sandwich. Overall, I would rate it maybe a 5.5. It was good, but it wasn't great. What really was lacking about it was the potatoes. The potatoes really was lacking flavor. I think it was because it was pre-prepped, and I don't think the seasonings really did enough to give it flavor. The steak sandwich was really good. The sandwich by itself, I'd rate it about a 6.5. What's holding back the sandwich is I think it was a little dry. What could really get it to be a little more moist is adding a little bit of that more Chipotle Ranch, giving it a little more of that, and a little more cheese to make it a little more cheesy and creamier. I think would really up the game in the sandwich. But overall, I enjoyed the sandwich. Like I said, the potatoes really weren't it. I knocked it down a point because of the potatoes. But I would try it again, or just make it at home myself. I make some pretty phenomenal potatoes on my own, so you know, I think it would be a good recipe to make on your own. As always, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that sub button, turn on notifications. If you plan on getting Home Chef, make sure you use the referral code down in the description. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.